you can't hide a whole sack of rice, right, in your titties or down your pants. So I brought my laundry bag in. I used to hide it underneath the little drink station or whatever. So I got my rice in the bag ready to go. Mind you, there should not be no rice in the Kool-Aid area, especially in no laundry bag, which clearly have your name on it. So anyway, they see the bag, they're like, is this your bag? I'm like, yeah, mind you, I had rice and maybe some chicken that I was able to get out of the freezer. So I was banking that day. I would have made some good coin, or at least some good commissary. Baby, when you hear this alarm that goes when they about to send someone to the shoe because they locked the whole compound down, I said, I'm looking at the dude like, you sending me to the shoe? Like, I'm going to the shoe? Bitch, yeah, you going to the shoe. All this rice, we cannot explain this. You need to be an example. You going to the shoe.